All right, I'm going to show you guys how to print in a Google Sheet just certain selections. You may have a huge spreadsheet that has lots of data, but you only want to print a certain amount. So what you'll do is you just highlight the cells that you want, and then what we're going to do up here is go to print, and then you'll notice up here to the right I can print my current sheet, I can print the whole workbook, or I can print just the selection of what I had there. And so that's a way to help control exactly what you're wanting to print. So hopefully that helps. Something quick and easy, but an easy way to print a selection of your Google spreadsheet. Good luck.